Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report on this new Connex CX-3300FHP for Carlos in Connecticut. Carlos, this unit is ready to go out. I want to shoot a short video of it for you. Show you what we got here. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Half-watt carrier as always. Five watts all the way up. I'm going to spin her back down. Over the 100-watt slug. Going forward in PEP mode. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 50 watts. 50 watts PEP for you there, Carlos. She's ready to come to you, my friend, in the Northeast. I thank you. From truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.